Hey guys, как дела? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you different slang words in Russian. If you're ready, let's start. The first one gonna be bomba. Bomba, it can be a bomb, a real bomb, okay? Or it can be like awesome. If you see something cool, you're gonna say bomba, awesome. The next one would be огонь. Огонь in Russian means fire, fire, огонь. Another one would be like cool, something cool. You're gonna say огонь, огонь. Let's say she's dancing amazing, yes, amazingly. If she's dancing amazing, you're gonna say огонь, огонь. That's it, like oh, like fire. She's kind of like fire. Горячо means hot. But if you want to make a compliment from this one, you're gonna say ты такая горячая. It means you're so hot. Горячая. Especially, let's say, when she's dancing or doing something interesting, yeah? Okay, so we have Cabbage. Cabbage means to eat something. As you can see, we have chef, right? Yes. So take a look. You can say, let's go eating. You're gonna say, пошли хавать. Let's grab something. Пошли хавать. Let's repeat together, okay? Пошли.
Пошли
хавать.
хавать.
Excellent. One more time with me. Пошли хавать. Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, we're in the restaurant. Что это? What is it? Это блин. Это блин. This is a pancake, a literal translation. Let's try it. So good. Очень вкусно. Very delicious. Another meaning is damn it. You screwed up something and you're gonna say блин. Let's try together. Yes, imagine the situation. Блин. Damn it. Guys, another slang word is бабки. Бабки, the literal translation is grandmas, but we use it pretty often as a slang word for money. So guys, что это? What is it? Это бабки. Это бабки. This is money. Бабки. Кайф means pleasure, fun, enjoyment, a high. This is a funny word that originally comes from an Arabic word meaning pleasure. It also has a long history but has become popular again in recent years. How can you use it? You can say это кайф. Это кайф. This is pleasure. Кайф. Oh, кайф. Keks means a cupcake.
Cats mean cupcake.
Exactly. Keks.
Cats.
Yes.
Very good. And please repeat with me. Мне нравится.
Mina Maryna.
Mi amiga,
Mi
Maryna.
amiga, my friend. Ustedes saben, amiga, my friend. Madru.
One more time. Мне нравится.
Мне нравится.
Keks.
Yes.
One more time. Мне нравится.
Maryna.
Keks.
Yes.
Good job.
Good job.
Very good. Another meaning for keks is sex. Keks, sex. Another slang word is крыша едет. The literal translation is the roof is moving, but we use it pretty often as a slang word. It means I'm going crazy, I'm going insane. Let me show you an example below. There we go. Так жарко, so hot. У меня крыша едет. Another example you're gonna see right now. Please keep watching. Guys, let's practice. У меня крыша едет. One more time with me. У меня крыша едет. I'm going crazy. Or you can say, У меня реально крыша едет. Реально means for real. I'm losing my head for real. У меня реально крыша едет. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite slang word. Can't wait to see your feedback. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.